Hello, Sanchez fifth grade families. This is Mrs. Crawford coming to you with an update. It's been a while. There's some things that I want to make you aware of that are coming up, and I know it's easier if we hear them as opposed to reading them. So first things first, library books. We're coming to that point in the year where all library books are going to be due. If your student has overdue library books, those should be turned in. I checked my mail today and I have like a packet full of names from just my homeroom, and every teacher had one. So this goes for Ms. Butler and Ms. Williams' homerooms as well. If your student has books that have been out for more than 2 weeks, we need to begin to get those back in. Otherwise, the expectation is that you pay for them if they're lost. So it's going to look like a little thin slip of paper. If your student gets one of those, please help them look for those books so that they can return them. STAR testing, no backpack days. So our first STAR test is next week on Thursday. So as usual, we're going to ask that they get a good night's sleep, they eat breakfast, because as I'm monitoring kids taking tests, that's usually the biggest thing, is that it seems like they don't get enough sleep because they're falling asleep in the test. So another thing that you all need to know about those days, no backpacks will be allowed. So as we were meeting, preparing for testing, we were talking about cell phones and smartwatches and things and how those are going to have to be taken up. It's just going to be easier if your student does not bring a backpack that day or those 3 days. So all they will need is a book and a pencil. Everything else we provide. If there's a bottle of water or something that they want to bring, that's fine. But we are asking that no backpacks come in on those days. And that's Thursday, May 12th, Tuesday, May 17th, and Thursday, May 19th. So that's first day for that is this next, not this week Thursday, but the Thursday after that. And I will make sure that we send reminders home so that your student does not forget. Now, STAR Pep Rally. Our STAR Pep Rally is this coming Friday, May 6th. And each class is supposed to wear their class color, because we're going to be doing games and things like that to get ready and hyped up for STAR. So Crawford homeroom is wearing black. That's our color. Ms. Butler's homeroom color is yellow, and Mrs. Williams' homeroom color is red. And I'm looking at my board because I wrote it down up there. So Crawford homeroom black, Ms. Butler homeroom yellow, and Ms. Williams homeroom red. And that's on this coming Friday. So I was talking to the kids about the games, and they know I'm very competitive. And so I was really getting into it. And I told them, I'm coming dressed in all black. So if your student is saying, I have to be in all black, that's not true. That was just me being extra. I'm just asking that they wear a black t-shirt. And someone asked, they said, I don't have black. Can I wear gray? That's fine too, because there's no other classes that have that color. But as long as your student is wearing black somewhere, then that will represent our class color. And I'm sure the same goes for the other teachers. Next, fifth grade clap out. So the way that we are celebrating our fifth graders is something called a clap out. So we're trying to start new traditions at our school with the new leadership that we have, and one of those is the fifth grade clap out. So I know that you all may have seen like YouTube videos of this, but it's usually seniors in high school. But we're going to do the same thing, but with our Sanchez fifth graders, and they're going to walk through the school, see the previous teachers they had. For our kiddos, that would just be really, I guess, third grade and up, based on when we opened our campus. But we're still going to walk them through, and pre-K through 4 will be clapping for them as they go through the campus, kind of saying like a final goodbye to Sanchez. That will be on the last day of school. More details will be forthcoming as far as like what time we'll be starting. But we do want parents to join us for that. So if you mark your calendar, that's the last day of school, Friday, May 27th, and that is an early dismissal day. So more details about times and things like that will be forthcoming. But I just wanted to let you all know to mark your calendars. The students will also be doing some other things to celebrate. But again, all those details will be forthcoming. On that last day of school, before the clap out, we're going to kind of have a a movie watching fun day where your student can bring whatever snack they want to eat to watch the movie. So we are asking, or I'm asking, whatever they bring, that it's not opened before they get here, especially things like drinks and stuff like that, because we don't want any like unnecessary spills. And also just understand we are expecting your student not to share their snacks. So if there's something that you want the entire class to have, please contact your student's homeroom teacher to discuss that. But, you know, we don't want it to be where like someone has a big bag of Takis and they're like pouring Takis out for everyone. We have to be mindful of food sensitivities that some students may have, and it's easier if students don't share. Okay. But if y'all have any questions about that, please feel free to reach out. The days are winding down of your student being an elementary kiddo, and I've been reminding them, we've all been reminding them since they got back from Christmas, that they need to be in a fifth grade state of mind, okay? Or I'm sorry, a sixth grade state of mind. So any questions, concerns that you all have in regard to end of year celebrations, please feel free to reach out and let us know so that we can get those addressed. Thank you for your time and attention. And again, if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.